first problem is, a bank offers 3% annual simple interest rate for a particular deposit. How much interest will be earned if 2 million pesos is deposited in the savings account for 2 years? First, let's write the given. The rate is 3% or 0.03 in decimal. The P or principal is 2 million pesos and the time is 2 years. So we are going to find the simple interest and future value. The formula is I sub S equals P times R times T. The P is 2 million pesos times rate times time. First, it's going to multiply the rate and time equals 0.06. Second, it's going to multiply the principal and the total of rate and time is equals to 120,000. And this is how we get the simple interest. The second is the future value. This is the formula of future value. F equals P plus I sub S. RP is 2 million and R sub S is 120,000. The total of future value is 2,120,000. So let's proceed to the second problem. This is the second problem. When invested at an annual interest rate of 14%, the amount earned 22,400 pesos of simple interest in 5 years. How much money was originally invested? And the first, again, let's write the given. The given RR is 14% or 0.014. I sub S is 22,400. Our time is 5 years. It's going to find the principal and again the future value. The formula is I sub S times equals P times R times T. So R I sub S equals 22,400 equals RP is question mark times 0.014 times 5 years our time. So let's going to write the rate and time both side to divide the simple interest. So we are going to cancel this and put the P. And we are going to divide times first the rate and time. And the total of this is 0.07. It's going to divide the 22,400 divide 0.07 equals 320 thousand. And this is the principal. 320,000. And we are going to find again the future value. RP is 320,000. And R sub S, I sub S is 22,400. The total of our future value is 342,400. And next, the next problem is John borrowed 50,000 and paid 2,500 pesos interest for 1 year. What was the rate of interest? First, the given is RP is 50,000. Simple interest 2,500. Our time is 1 year. And we're going to find the rate and the future value. Likewise, the formula is I sub S equals P times rate times time. Our I sub S is 2,500. RP is 50,000 times time, 1 year. So let's write both sides, the principal and the time. And cancel. And put the rate. So let's multiply the principal and year and time. So total is 50,000. We're going to divide the 2,500 and the 50,000. So the result is 0.05. But the time is, I said the rates, we're going to write this into percentage. So 5% are right. Therefore, the rate of interest was 0.05 or 5%. The future value P plus I sub S 50,000 plus 2,500. So the future value is 52,500 pesos. And let's proceed to the last problem. The last problem is, how long in years will it take for 34,600 to amount to 40,000 pesos at 22.50% simple interest? The given, we have principal 34,600 and we have future value 40,000. Our rate is 22.50. or 0.2250. We're going to find the time and I sub s. I sub s equals f minus p to get the I sub s. So our future value 40,000, and our principal is 34,600. Let's subtract the future value and principal. The answer is 5,400. So we have I sub s 5,400. To find the time, the formula is I sub s p times r times t. So we have I sub s 5,400 pesos and RP is 34,600 times rate 0.2250 on the time. So let's write both sides, the principal and the rate. Cancel and put the t. So first we are going to multiply the principal and the rate. The total is 7,785 and we are going to divide the I sub s. 5,400 divide 7,785. The result is 0.69. So we have time 0.69 years. And that's all. Thank you. Thank you for watching.